Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. No, not welcome back to my channel. So today is Thursday. We've been having a lot of stuff going on. He's been sick. We've been kind of running around. My daughter has been having a whole lot of events and stuff going on. We got my Sex Kitten Cosmetics package. Yay! So if you don't know what Sex Kitten Cosmetics is, it is a cosmetics company that I am Christina, or Essence Christina. She's a girl from Philly and she has her own cosmetics company. So I watch her tutorials and stuff and I watch her videos, so I was like, why not support her? So let me show you guys what I got. So this is the card that comes with it. It says Sex Kitten, and she said to share and hashtag Sex Kitten Cosmetics, and this is so cute and so profesh. And she personally emailed me because something happened with my address and she had to like reach out to me, so I was like, yes. But I love her content. She's really positive. I'm just getting off work, y'all. She's really positive. Her vibes is really cute, sexy. Like, I really enjoy her, and like I always say, I feel like she was kind of like a guardian angel for me, because the night that I started watching her, like, I had some crazy... Wait a minute. Okay, so basically, the night that I started watching her, I had so much shit going on, like personal shit that I don't want to talk about right now, but I just had a whole lot of different emotions and feelings. My man wasn't here, you know. It was a lot of stuff going on, and just watching her, like, it gave me like a breath of fresh air, like, that I needed so desperately. I don't know what it was, but I really feel like she was put on this planet to nurture and to guide. And it was crazy because, like, I was watching her videos, somebody was like, are you thinking about being a stripper? And I'm like, no. Like, it's just so many different things. Like, sometimes you can just relate to a person's energy, their aura, and she talks about way more than just that. So let me show you guys what I got from her. So like I said, her products come with this card, which is super profesh, and it comes in this cute little pink package. So something was going on with my address, like I said, so she had to why do I keep saying hand? She had to write me personally and ask me about my address. So yeah, that was kind of cool. And she was like, it was fast shipping. The only thing that was kind of weird was that it had said delivered, like, where I live at, I have like this little, it's like a website, but anyways, I get notifications in my email when I've gotten a package. So it has said delivered, but when I got home, like, I was so hyped to open it and like share it and everything, but it wasn't there. So I was like, okay, that's weird. I was like, I'm not finna bother her because she probably got a million. I mean, if you don't know, she sold out on her first relaunch or whatever. So I'm like, I'm not finna bother her and seem so freaking thirsty, this, that, and the third. So I'm gonna just wait. Maybe, because when I went in the mailroom, they had all these packages sitting on the side, and I'm just like, okay, so y'all gonna write delivered, and my shit ain't delivered. And so I was like, they must not be done sorting through all the mails. So I was like, ugh. So it did come, but it was weird because this morning, or was it last night? Last night, it was just sitting again. It was sitting on my front door, like, just sitting there. So somebody else must have had it. Like, and thank God they were being honest and gave me my shit. But yeah, it's got my apartment number, my building number, and my actual apartment. So I don't know why that was, but thank you, girl. I finally got my stuff, but that was kind of weird. I don't know why that happened. Okay, I keep forgetting my stuff. Alright, so finally. Okay, so the products came in these two packages right here. And they're just sleek black packages, and they gave me MAC vibes. So check that out. It's just very sleek. And it says on the front, gloss. And it tells you the ingredients on the back. girl, no shade or nothing like that, because I love you, girl. But I thought, okay, I kind of thought I was just going to get some rinky-dink, not rinky-dink, that's a bad choice of words. I thought it was just going to be like just your standard lip gloss, nothing fancy. You know, she's a small business owner. I really just wanted to support her, period. Whatever I got, I just wanted to support her. So I just thought it was going to be something standard. I mean, in no shade. I hope that doesn't seem like shade. I didn't think it was going to be anything like extravagant, because the colors that I really, really wanted was sold out already. So I was like, oh, okay, a couple things that are left. I have to take what I can get because I'm going to support my girl. So I got the clear lip gloss, and I believe that was $15 or $18. I can't remember. And then I got the creme fraiche. If I'm saying that right? Okay, so check this out. Okay, so this is the creme fraiche, and it is so freaking cute. Like, there's like, oh my gosh, you can't tell. It's like a peach, a light peach with like gold shimmer in it. So freaking cute. Girl, and it's scented. I did not even open this one yet. I opened the clear one. Wait till I tell y'all about the clear one, girl. The tea. The tea. Yes. It's like the perfect nude that I have freaking been looking for. This is so freaking cute. Minus like my work face. I ain't have on any makeup today at work, so this is so cute to me. Okay, but girl, let me give you this tea on this clear gloss. Tea. The clear gloss literally is bomb. Bomb. You can't say bomb on an airplane. Bomb. It is so freaking good. Like, and homegirl got her stuff stamped and approved. Ain't no fugazi shit going on. But the clear gloss, like, first of all, it has a peppermint like smell to it, and it's thick. It is so thick. Like, it feels like Bath and Body Works, the can't think of it, but you know how they have their clear glosses and all that stuff. But honestly, it's mint flavored, it's mint scent. It has like, I don't know if this is plumping or not, because I could feel like some kind of tingly. It's not like a tingly like I'm allergic, but it's like a good tingly sensation that makes me want to believe that it's a lip plumper. So correct me if I'm wrong, but it feels like a lip plumper. But yes, girl, tea, spill it. Yes, I'm so here for her makeup products. I'm so here for her. Like, I love her so much. I hope she just knows. I hope you know, girl, you are an angel. I'm telling you, thank you so much. I hope nothing but good things for you and Jay and your son Everett. I don't know why I had a brain fart, but Everett. You saw me outside. But yeah, she is just a woman on the move. She's a woman about her business. Like, I love everything about her. She's just so positive. Her hair is always laid. Like, she's just definitely somebody. She responds as much as she can. Her page is growing. I mean, her channel is growing exceptionally fast. And it's just, I really am proud of her. Like, is that weird? I don't know her, but I'm proud of her. Thank you so much. So much for being who you are, and for representing women, and for being real. And it's just really hard to like explain everything that I want to explain, but just know your girl is poppin'. She is bomb. So yes, I'm here for it. And I'm gonna tag her channel, and I'm gonna tag Sex Kitten Cosmetics and all that stuff, so y'all can go check it out too. Even though majority of the stuff is sold out, but she said the next launch that she does, she's gonna make sure she has enough in stock for like everybody to get something. So I'm definitely about to get some more stuff. But yes, I got these products from your girl, and she's bomb, and I love her, and she is an angel on earth.